see what is the best outreach method that Group A wants to share with us.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Our group's name is 1MDB.
After all the naming, you do it for 1MDB. Okay, anyway,
Yes.
it's a good strategy.
1MDB stands for Satu Makan Dah Besar. And our tagline is now everyone can eat. So our best outreach mode for us will be Facebook, using an online platform to promote our business, as we choose Facebook, which has almost 24.85 million subscribers and users in Malaysia, and with 216 million followers around the world. We will promote our business by community groups such as the Republic of Bangsa. There we have Women Innovative Empowerment Group. There we have Carry Moms, which has almost 60,000 followers. Mommy and Daddy United Group. Then got Five Hands, which is a youth group. And also Insta and Twitter, which is linked to Facebook. Another way to promote the business is via the influence. The influence will promote our brand, as they are the best brand advocates.
Okay. Maybe other group members can help to answer as well.
Okay, we will promote business via the influencers. The influencers will promote our brand, as they are the best brand advocates. So people listen to them, and whatever they say can influence our food. And it affects the customer purchasing, as they have large followers. And influence feedback on our product or food definitely matters. So some of the, I'm not talking about Dato Sri Nurhaliza or Chef Wan, they are actually very expensive. But we also have some who has about 500,000 followers, which I'm not too sure whether you know, but this girl by the name of Bangsa Babe, she has very large followers under FB. She also has large followers.
What is her name? Bangsa?
Bangsa Babe.
Bangsa Babe.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
She started very small, but she's got such a large followers.
Oh.
So she actually I had actually once approached her, asked her if she can actually help me to promote my food.
Okay.
When I was doing my catering business. I was supposed to meet her, but then it didn't work out, so I just stopped. But she was willing to meet.
Suppose.
Yeah, she was willing to meet me as well, but I didn't, venture in fully. So post testimonial feedbacks from customers are very important. So we can use that and post it in the Facebook as well. Post testimonial videos from customers or celebrity complimenting the food and services that we provide also helps to promote our brand. And we do blast online brochures with details such as contact number for WA orders, WhatsApp orders, with our company name of course, price list inclusive of the menu list, halal certification if we can provide that. As you know, the trainer said it's not easy to get halal certification.
You can get, but the process is very strict process.
Yeah,
not you can't get, you can get. But you have to follow the strict process of it.
Okay, pictures of delicious food. Our tagline says that everyone can eat. Food promotion, if any, for the month. We can do monthly promotion as well. Example, buy one, free one. Because there are food restaurants that tells you if you come in, you pay 50% only. You bring one customer, you pay only 50%. Advertise in the marketplace in Facebook for free. If you want to advertise in a marketplace where you want your brand to come up at the top every month, then you have to pay. Otherwise you can promote them for free. Images and videos of adherence to the SOP during the COVID-19 requirement inclusive of cleanliness, food hygienically prepared, using of gloves and face masks by employee. This will bring confidence and trust on our brand. So I came from a Japanese bank. Japanese people are very concerned about food hygiene, and this will actually give them. And being from a Japanese bank, right, it's always word of mouth. If they don't like your food, they will tell the whole world they don't like your food, and they'll tell you why. And none of the
So
Japanese
be careful you want to deal with Japanese companies.
But if they like your food,
They won't tell the whole world.
they will.
Oh, they will.
They will. They
So
will say
fair
your food is damn good, and they will definitely come back to your restaurant. That's what it
Okay,
is.
fine. That's
So,
fair.
I think confidence and trust from customers on your food branding is definitely a must. So this is our plan. Thank you.
Okay, so now group 8, their outreach is to